Welcome back to this short unboxing and review of the Lenovo Smart Watch. Enjoy! The clock comes in a small handy box. It's not much in there. You can see it has the power adapter on the right side. It's not so big, a standard size. And then you have the clock itself. It's not so easy to take it out from the box with one hand. But let me give it a try. Yes, you see it's quite small. It's almost fit in my hand. You see it's quite small, not heavy, and not many buttons or contacts. Let's wrap it out. Fast forward, and I've taken out the plastic. Here you have the clock. It's quite nice grade, nice stuff. You have the buttons, volume. Oops, almost lost it. Volume button, and here we have the microphone and the power, where we put in the power cord. And below you have some pins where you can put it on the wireless charger, which is an add-on you must buy if you don't buy it bundle. So that was nothing more, and now we'll try and set it up. As usual, we have to put in the power cable. If not, it will not work. And you can't do it wrong. It's only one place to put the power cord, and just put it in and it gets the power. There are no power on off buttons, so when you put the cable on, it will turn on automatically. So now we just wait a little bit so that its gets started, and now it's on its way to starting up. And we are still sitting and waiting for it to start up. It does take some time. Wait a little bit more. And at last, it's starting up. Here we have the page where you can download the app so you can set it up. Without it, you cannot do anything. And then you can go into the App Store or Play Store, and you will have to download the Google Home app. That's the app where you add in the clock. So just download it, and we are ready to set it up. Now we fast forward, and we have set it up, and this is the main screen. After setup is we show you the time. As you can see, I just finished it at 19:04. We can swipe it to left and right, where we can see the different home screen, and put the alarm, see the weather, temperature, and stuff like that. So you can swipe it from below up. You have the 4 different options here. As you see, the settings, the volume, and the brightness. You can change the watch faces here. Is someone included? So if you swipe from left to right, then you see the different one you can use. After testing it, I prefer the weather spice. You have the photo, Google Photo, and the feature photo. It does look nice, but I prefer the watch face with the weather, where you have big numbers of the time, and you have the weather forecast, and I prefer that one. And here we have the settings which you can go into. You can choose how it will react on low light and how much brightness it's gonna have. You can see the other settings, network, and info about the device. You can also choose the color on the night, and brightness and duration too. So that's mainly the main things you can set it up. Thanks. Next. Then we're gonna try using the Google Assistant. It's like every other device. You just use the secret word, okay, Google, and then you can just tell. Here I ask this to play some music, and you can see on the screen it plays YouTube music. Then it will show you the name of the song and who the artist is. You can actually press the screen, and you will get the cover of the song with the artist. It's fun. And after it's shown over, it will jump back to the main screen, where you get a line in the bottom where it shows the song name and the artist. So it's actually nothing more. That's how I use this clock. Just as a clock, and hear some music and use Google Assistant. And that's it for this time. Nothing else. I don't use it too much. It's just in the lower shelf where I do is Google Assistant thing with asking for time, watch, weather, music, and stuff like that. So it is possible to sideload application where you can use the start screen to have other application uses beside the installed one, but that's for another review. Let me know if you want to see that one too. Bye!